Hi, Michelle here with Strawberry, and today I am going to upcycle these jeans with, this is going to be a no-sew project. I have these jeans. They're really, I think, more like jeggings because they've got like an elastic waist. They were gifted to me or thrift store, and I actually don't really like them very much, and so I never wear them. So I felt like it was a safe place to start, and if this works, then maybe I can do it with a different pair of jeans. I don't want to take my favorite pair of jeans and then upcycle them, but if I take a pair that I don't wear and then work on upcycling them, then that's gonna be fun because then I'll have something new that I like. So to do this, I have just some white acrylic paint and a little flat sponge brush. And I have some paper doilies, and I have some fabric doilies. I bought these at the dollar store several years ago thinking I would use them as a craft, and I never have. And then I have just a couple of pieces, there was another one here somewhere, of random lace scraps that I thought I might use as well. So let's get started. I'm laying these out so that the side seam is right there so that my pattern's gonna go over to the back just a little bit. And I'm gonna put some of my paint on just a plate. And let's grab one of these doilies. And look, I already spilled a spot of paint, but that's okay because of what I'm planning to do later. Okay, let's see. Okay, this doily is pretty big, but I think, I think I want it more up here. Okay. So I'm just gonna get some paint and I'm just gonna start dabbing. And I think with the fabric doily here, I have to be a little careful because it tries to pull up with the wet paint on it. Let's see how it's looking. And that's a little messy. Okay, so I'm gonna go a little lighter handed. See how that does. Okay, not much yet. Okay, well, will this end up being a fail? All right, I'm gonna scrap that for right now. Maybe I'll come back to that. Let's work on this side and let's see if it works any better with some paper doilies. That's more than one layer. That's actually working much better. Can y'all see that? I think that looks a lot better. Okay, so I'm trying to go onto the back side here by just kind of picking it up a little. Like I said, I wasn't wearing these jeans anyway, so if it's a hot mess, it's not that awful. Okay, there we go. I think that looks kind of cute. So I ran out of the paint that I was using. It was a very thick acrylic craft paint, and all I could find was this Liquitex gesso. So again, this is kind of an experiment, and if it works, maybe I'll do a different pair of jeans that I like the way they fit better. But I'm gonna see how well this works. And that looks pretty cool. The only thing I don't like about these paper doilies is that they always have a big hole in the center. So I feel like that's gonna need something else at some point. Now I want to have the look of splatter paint, but I don't really want to make the mess. So I'm just gonna kind of do some dots here and there and kind of splatter a little, but really I'm just dotting. Just to keep from having such a mess. All right, let's let this dry, then we'll turn them over and do the other side. I meant to do this before I started painting. I want these to be cropped a little bit and left with a raw edge. So I'm just gonna cut through all 4 layers down here at the bottom. Straight across. Okay, and then I'm just gonna kind of do a couple little vertical cuts here and there. Just to help roughen up a little bit. And I'm gonna let these like thoroughly dry for about a week, and then I'm gonna throw them in the washing machine. So in about a week, I'll get back to you and let you know how they're doing.
I am really not loving that blotchy spot, so I got a butterfly patch from Dollar Tree, and I am just ironing it on according to the package directions. It didn't work the first time, but it worked beautifully the second time, and I think it adds so much.
I'm actually really loving the butterfly on the jeans. I was worried that it would make them not as stretchy, but they fit just fine, and I think it adds just exactly what these jeans needed. I'm so happy I put the patch on. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, toodles!